Open token providers. 4 types of providers will be displayed. Navigate to the API Key Management page. Click Edit. Pick the provider you need. Click Agent Tool. Scroll down to the Agent Installation section. Select Claude Code. Copy the installation code. Open the terminal and complete the installation. Return to the original page. Configure access credentials. Copy the source code. Replace the corresponding code in the original file. Go back to the console. Open a new console window. Enter Claude. Run /commands to check models. Switch to the target model. You are ready to use it.